Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look in the euro currency here. Still not much to talk about, but a few moments we could clarify, and also we'll take a look at the Great British pound with what is going on with our scenario that we discussed yesterday. On the euro, we see the whole power of the factors that we discussed since the last year, and we said that euro has actually phantom chances against the United States dollar because of the fundamental background. It seems that once some rush around the virus has come down a bit, markets and investors return back to the major driving factors, to the fundamental economical factors that stands in the European Union and the United States. And as a result, you can see that euro returned back to the significant collapse. So yesterday we said that probably it's not good point for taking the short position because market stands at oversold, and indeed market yesterday has spent in a really small retracement. But now oversold level stands lower, and here you can see strong acceleration with the CD leg down. This is the ABCD pattern. This is steep pattern. OP stands approximately 108.50. This target stands below these major lows, and it significantly reduce the chances that these lows will survive. I will not be surprised the market will challenge these lows this week within a couple of sessions. Another reason why this really could happen is if you take a look at the dollar index, as we said yesterday, take a look. Market hasn't quite reached yet the XOP target, so it's still going to it. It's struggling with the overbought as well as on the euro, showing minor pullbacks, but the XOP still has not been hit yet. And while the market will come to the XOP, it seems that euro could make the attempt to challenge these lows that we have. On the dollar index, this corresponding extreme point stands higher. So XOP and current price action stands a bit below the extreme point compared to the euro, while the euro currency stands already very close to this level. So it significantly increased chances that today we will get some downside continuation in the euro. Also, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have, as you can see, acceleration through the channel that we discussed previously. And here, as you can see, market has hit the minor OP target. So in inner recent ABC top pattern, OP stands right here. So here we could suggest maybe just minor response, and I'm not sure that definitely will happen. But if any retracement will be done, it probably will be kind of the minor ABCD somewhere to the 109.40 area. Then chances on downward continuation are significant. I would say that chances on the downward continuation significant even right now, so I will not be surprised if the market will just erase this minor bounce and just continue downward action. And this also could happen. But if still some bounce will happen, probably I will count on the level higher than 109.40. So that's what we see right now on the euro. On the cable, guys, everything stands according to our expectations. So you can see this recent hand and shoulder starts to work. Market right now hits 127 extension of this action, of this recent leg. Here was nice ABCD got a steeple to buy, so as you can see, OP target stands approximately around 29.80. So the same level. If I would erase this one, so here you can see some kind of the, I don't know, maybe we could call it as a kind of the dynamic pressure, because you can see the market is forming high lows here, but trend stands bearish. So maybe market will make some final action right to the OP target. If you remember, we consider this target, this level, as a potential opportunity to go short, because on the 4-hour time frame chart and on the daily, our overall setup mostly stands bearish, and we suggest that market could continue downward action here relatively soon. So that's been said, let's keep watching on the euro. On euro, guys, it's difficult to trade, make the decision on trading because you do not see any meaningful pullback. And when you're just jumping and running train, it's always keep the risk of the possible unexpected pullback. But currently, it seems that market really has good chance trying to challenge these lows, previous lows, and continue action to the OP. Maybe it will not be as fast as previously, just because the dollar action on the dollar index. On the Great British Pound, we're still watching for a possible final upward action here, completion of the OP, and chance to go short. Well, if of course market will not break this overall dynamic pressure shape and will not drop below these lows. In this case, it could happen that market will start downward action right from this area, ignoring the OP. It's not able to reach it. So that's two scenarios that we will keep an eye on today.